XRP, there is a storm coming and you're not ready. $589. What's new with the XRP family? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let's get this video started with some bizarre footage. Let us remind you of a few things before we get started. First, what we're about to show you is a little ridiculous and daunting. But crazy people are just that until they're proven right. And when they're proven to be correct, they're incredible. This is precisely what is taking place with XRP. We believe XRP has the potential to reach those lofty heights. There's a lot of weird stuff going on, and a lot of people claim it's all coincidence or conspiracy. But in our world, there are no such things as coincidences. You'll be guided if you look at the science. Those of you who feel XRP will reach a very high value. Previously, 589 was just a number, but David Schwartz has now formally tweeted about it. Mr. Pooh tweeted on January 30th about 589, and that isn't the only section he tweeted about. This is happening right in front of our eyes, and it's not a coincidence, and we're on the verge of something huge, and you'll definitely see XRP running tomorrow or in a few days, because the market has been noticeably calm, and when it is quiet, it is simply preparing for something very, very large. We have to consider all this when we're talking about something like XRP reaching $500 to $590. Take a look at the bizarre eruption on Sicily's Mount Etna, which gives the appearance of a phoenix in the sky.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
What is XRP known for? It's a phoenix in the sky. XRP is going to run like a bull. In 48 hours, we'll see a big boom move in XRP, and that's exactly what we'll see right now. Of course, no one knows for sure, and we've been setting dates and saying a lot of things, but it only needs to happen once. And whether you're too late and on the wrong side or on the right side because you feel it might happen at any time, remember that you don't want to lose out. Many people are discussing about how hazardous Flare is right now, because when it launches, many people will put their XRP on it, so they'll profit. But your XRP will be at risk. So just invest a percentage of your XRP. If you want to try it, use a small amount to see how it works. If this is what you've been wanting for a Flare launch to begin with, check to see if it works. Return your XRP. And if everything appears to be in order, you may be able to send out a greater share. But always keep another piece on hand to ensure that you can profit when the XRP price rises, and keep it safe by storing it in your hardware wallet. Don't invest all of your XRP on a network like the Flare network. Of course, Flare is a fantastic product, idea, and so on, but be cautious. This could be precisely what they need to get people to spend their XRP, and you'll be completely unaware of it. So be cautious with this and make a plan. If you have 1,000 XRP, use 200 of them to join the Flare network and see what happens. Don't utilize all of your XRP. Instead, use a small percentage, so you'll always be prepared to have additional XRP on hand as a backup, which is what you'll need in the end. Take a look at what Big Boy has said about XRP. He has been able to show me where Ripple fits into the banking cartel, where they fit inside the digital currency group, and in the moves that they are making right now that are some of the same moves that the XRP army has been making for a long time. But he has been able to give me context and perspective to understand how it all fits together. The simplest way to describe it is that it simply hit me differently and opened my eyes to what's going on. And guys, even if XRP made me a millionaire, I'm not coming out here. I will still not be overly enthusiastic about the aspects of Ripple and XRP that I dislike. I won't just justify those actions because they make me money, but they do feel good. And it will feel even better when XRP makes people in my community wealthy. So swim with whales and do what the whales do until the whales have accumulated XRP. To be honest, that is why I'm not concerned about XRP collapsing in a heap. I'd argue that the SEC, the entire litigation, was something that certain people saw coming, and that was the accumulation point that a lot of people missed out on when it dropped all the way down. I wish I had gotten a lot more during that period, but I'm sitting right now with approximately 200,000 XRP, and I'm seriously considering adding to that. We'll see what happens from here, but it's been pretty interesting. So this is Big Boy, who has been against XRP for a long time, but as you can see, he is now convinced due to some information he received. But we already knew who he was. This is all the information we need. I just wanted to show you that Big Boy is actually pretty open about it, since we all know that Ripple has been doing some amazing things. So the top 100 banks in Ripple are tied to 38 of the world's top 100 banks via HPC Barclay Banks of America. The only question is how it will be accomplished, as we do not believe that such a large number of people will be able to engage in the world's greatest wealth production. Take a look at Christine Lagarde's monetary repositioning. Around the world, at least 80 central banks are looking at digital currencies. It's coming whether you like it or not, and I'm not the only one who thinks about it. At least 80 central banks around the world are considering digital currencies. We believe it is our responsibility to make digital currencies available to customers who will benefit from them. So, how would it appear? Well, it could be used like banknotes because it won't have the same level of anonymity as banknotes, and I find it fascinating that consumers who responded in large numbers to our consolidation said, "We want our privacy to be protected, but we don't want anonymity because we understand the risk of anonymity when it comes to digital currencies." So as you can see, it's all about control, and they want to know where you spend your money and what you do with it. Don't forget that while digital currency isn't always a positive thing, investing in technology now will reap numerous rewards. Japan is calling for rules on device benefits on the basis of opportunity. Now look at how well organized Japan is. They know exactly how to keep everything in check. Japan has the greatest cryptocurrency rules, and they regard this field as a source of benefits and potential because DeFi is such a promising company, and they're working hard to incorporate it into the economy, as you can see. With about 3.5 million residents trading digital assets, Japan's crypto business has been expanding since the beginning. Furthermore, the monthly transaction value increased from 73 million yen to 470 million yen between October and February. In March of this year, the nation's virtual currency deposits reached a new high of 1.41 trillion yen, up 7 times over the previous year. All of this is because they allow it to happen. Because of the SEC of what's going on, it's exactly the reverse of what's going on in the United States. As a result, you can see what you could want to take into account as a very good, serious concern. I'd love to hear what you have to say. My mind is attempting to comprehend this. When Flare is live and we mint some XRP, we're sending our XRP to be mined, right? They explained everything, Patty and others, not your keys anymore, in a live chat a while ago, and now you may get your XRP back and unmint them unless an issue occurs, in which case they will send FLR instead with a bonus to cover a rebuy of XRP with fees spread. My problem is, what if the government makes XRP unusable for retail at that point and you can't get your XRP back, since this is how they'll pull a large number of people out of their bag. Thus, Genie is admitting it's a risk, which is why a little percentage is used. Don't put all of your XRP into this network. I know it can be fun and the numbers in your head can help, but be careful with your XRP because they will do everything they can to take it away from you. Individual defendants have filed a letter with the Corman and the XRP lawsuit Ripple Law down a marker for the court with its re-notice. You can see Breaking Ripple and individual defendants have filed if Judge Netburn permits it. The deposition will take place on July 19th. We haven't heard anything yet, so the issue now is, what are they waiting for? They're taking their time, and we know why. They're waiting for the ideal opportunity. According to 21% of UK cryptocurrency investors, they knew almost little about it. This is how far ahead of the game you are if you invest in cryptocurrency. When they made their first investment, nearly 2/5 of the British crypto university admitted that their understanding of the sector was poor or non-existent. As time passed, 241% of investors holding crypto still rated their knowledge of the sector as being equally low. This is due to the fact that individuals buy goods they see on tech speak or on social media. They don't conduct any research. They don't do their homework, which is why individuals who buy XRP do their homework. As a result, holders of XRP are among the most knowledgeable crypto investors. This is why the ECB can help with the transition to a carbon-free economy. Today, President Christine Lagarde spoke at the Venice International Climate Conference. You can see how everything happens in a sequence and is interconnected. The ECB has committed the software recipients to decreasing their carbon footprints in accordance with the Paris Agreement, and the ECB banking supervision will ensure that every bank is making rapid progress in incorporating climate risk into their organizations, drawing on the entire supervisory authority. This all meant that they would utilize climate control and something green like XRP because they had a toolkit at their disposal. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope it has given you some insight into the latest XRP news. Be careful where you invest your XRP because it'll play a significant role in the coming days. Let us know what you think in the comments area below. Subscribe for future updates if you like this video. Thanks for watching.